area of plane shapes. We're going to cover triangles and trapeziums. A triangle is a three-sided shape like this, and area of a triangle is calculated as half base times height. This is the base, and this becomes the height. And for a trapezium looks like this. It has got two parallel lines. So the area of a trapezium is calculated as half the sum of two parallel sides times the perpendicular height. Like this, let's say these parallel sides are A and B and the height is H. So we simply say half A plus B times height, A plus B being the parallel sides times the perpendicular height. For this triangle, this base is 6 centimeters and this landing height is 4 centimeters and the actual height is 3.4. So for us to calculate the area, it is simply this 4 centimeters is irrelevant in this case. So simply say half base of 6 centimeters times the height of 3.4. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 6, that's 3. So area is equals to 3 times 3.4 centimeters, squared centimeters. 3 times 4, that's 12. 2 get 1. So and 3, 9 plus the 1, 10.2 squared centimeters. That is the area of this triangle. Then for this trapezium, suppose this side is equal to 5 centimeters and the longer side is 7 centimeters, and this one is 3.5 and this one 3.5 centimeters, and this one is 3.3 centimeters. So you need to be very careful here. Area is equal to half the sum of parallel sides. 7 plus 5, these are parallel sides times 3. But this 3.5 and this one, they are irrelevant. We don't use them. So let us simplify. 7 plus 5, that's 12. So that's half of 12 centimeters times 3. Then 2 into 2, that's 1. 2 into 12, that gives us 6. So 6 centimeters times 3 centimeters, that's 18 squared centimeters. That is the area of the trapezium. Right. Let us now move on to the next part of the question. Suppose we are given another problem to solve. We have got this shape, which is a triangle, and this side is A, and the area of this triangle is equal to 25 squared centimeters, and the actual height of this triangle is given as 5 centimeters like this. Then we are required to find the length of A. So in this case, we simply apply the formula for calculating area. Area is calculated as half base times height, and our area is equal to 25 squared centimeters. So simply say we substitute area with the 25 squared centimeters, which is equal to half. Our base is equal to A, half of A times our height of 5 centimeters over 1, like this. Then we have to remove the fraction. So we simply say 25 squared centimeters is equal to, then we combine this one by simply saying 5a over 2. Then to remove the fraction, we simply multiply by 2 both sides. So 2 into 2, that's 1. Then 2 by 25, that's 50 squared centimeters, which is equal to 5a centimeters. Then we have to divide both sides by 5 centimeters for us to remain with a. Then we have to cancel these centimeters first because they are common units. 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 5, 1. Then centimeters into squared centimeters will remain with the centimeters. 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 50, that's 10. So A is equal to 10 centimeters. That is the actual length of side A. So you might be given a missing side of a trapezium. You simply apply the same concept. If you are given area, just make use of the area and equate to the actual formula for calculating the area of that particular shape, and then substitute the values and solve the missing side. So go ahead and answer the exercise below. Thank you. Can you invite your friends to join Mugombi Online School? You can join by visiting our website, mugombionlineschool.com. For any assistance, you can contact the help desk, SMS, or call these numbers. Thank you.